Hi everyone, today topic is symmetry properties of molecular orbitals. When two atomic orbitals are combined, it will form two molecular orbitals. They are bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. In bonding molecular orbital, adjacent orbitals are having same sign. In anti-bonding molecular orbitals, adjacent orbitals are having opposite sign. And a node is present between the lobes of opposite sign, but it is not possible for the same sign. And bonding molecular orbital is symmetric because of sigma is present. Bonding molecular orbital can divide it into two halves, therefore it has a mirror plane symmetry. Because of plane of symmetry, it is denoted by sigma. If sigma is present, it is symmetric. But anti-bonding molecular orbital, C2 present, symmetric. Sigma is absent, anti-symmetric. Because of we cannot divide into two halves. Next is rules for molecular orbitals. We have already discussed molecular orbital theory in quantum chemistry. The first point for the molecular orbitals, that is, according to linear combination of atomic orbitals, mixing of p atomic orbitals produced pi molecular orbitals. Number of p atomic orbitals mixed equal to number of molecular orbitals produced. Example, if n atomic orbitals combined, we get n molecular orbitals by linear combination of atomic orbitals. If n is even, the resulting molecular orbitals, n by 2 anti-bonding molecular orbitals and another n by 2 bonding molecular orbitals. Therefore, 50% of anti-bonding molecular orbital and 50% of anti-bonding molecular orbitals for the even number of atomic orbitals. If n is odd, the resulting molecular orbitals, one is non-bonding molecular orbital and n minus 1 by 2 anti-bonding molecular orbital, n minus 1 by 2 bonding molecular orbital. Suppose if 3 atomic orbitals are combined, 3 molecular orbitals are formed. They are anti-bonding molecular orbitals, non-bonding molecular orbitals and bonding molecular orbitals. Now, the energy of the molecular orbitals order, energy of bonding molecular orbital is less than of, energy of non-bonding molecular orbital is less than of, energy of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Next point of the molecular orbital, electron configuration in molecular orbital similar to atomic orbitals, electronic configuration, and each molecular orbital should be filled with maximum 2 electrons. They follow the through rules. They are Kunz rule, Paulus exclusive principle. And 5 molecular orbitals can be designated as psi1, psi2, psi3, dash dash dash, etc. With increase in subscript of designation, energy increases. Energy of psi1 is less than of energy of psi2, is less than of energy of psi3, is less than of energy of psi4, etc. Number of modes in pi molecular orbitals equal to n minus 1. N is subscript of designation. If it is psi1 molecular orbital, nodes are 0. If it is psi2 molecular orbital, nodes 1. If it is psi3 molecular orbital, nodes are n minus 1. Pi molecular orbitals with even number of nodes or 0 nodes possess plane of symmetry sigma symmetric. C2 symmetry absent and antisymmetry. Next point of molecular orbitals with odd number of nodes possess C2 symmetry symmetric. Sigma is absent, antisymmetric. And next point, molecular orbitals with electrons having maximum energy called highest occupied molecular orbital. It is denoted by HOMO, HOMO. Molecular orbitals without electrons having least energy called lowest unoccupied molecular orbitals are denoted by LUMO, where HOMO LUMO together classified as frontier molecular orbitals. Simply we can denote it as FMOs. HOMO LUMOs are FMOs. In bond formation and breaking, FMOs participates. Molecular orbitals of molecules having even number of sp2 carbons. It is the important point for the molecular orbital theory. What is that? If the molecule having n number of molecular orbitals, they have n number of sp2 carbon. For example, ethene structure CH2 double bond CH2. Ethene having 2 sp2 carbon, therefore 2 molecular orbitals. Now you see 2 molecular orbitals for the ethene molecule because of it has 2 sp2 carbon. Psi1 molecular orbital, Psi2 molecular orbital. Designation. Molecular orbitals are represented by Psi1 bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Because of adjacent orbitals are having same spin, adjacent orbitals are having opposite sign. Notes: for even number of molecular orbital, 1 node. For odd number of molecular orbital, 0. Because of if n number of molecular orbitals present, nodes are n minus 1. It is psi1 n minus 1. 1 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Sigma is present for the bonding molecular orbital, it is symmetric. Sigma is absent for the anti-bonding molecular orbital, antisymmetric. C2 symmetry is absent for the bonding molecular orbital, antisymmetric. And C2 is present for the anti-bonding molecular orbital, symmetric. Now let us see the energy order of the Psi1 and Psi2 molecular orbital. Ground state electronic configuration of the ethene Psi1 to Psi2 0. It has 2 pi electrons. These 2 pi electrons exist in ground state level, that is Psi1 molecular orbital. When we give the energy to the Psi1 molecular orbital, the energy of the molecular orbital increases. Now the electrons jumps from Psi1 to Psi2. It is first excited state configuration. In the ground state configuration, Psi1 has 2 electrons and Psi2 has 0 electron. But in the first excited state, the electron configuration, Psi1 has 1 electron, Psi2 has 1 electron. In the ground state configuration, Psi1 HOMO, Psi2 is LUMO. But in the first excited state configuration, Psi2 is HOMO. No LUMO for first excited state. Similarly, we can explain 1,3-butadiene. It has 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sp2 carbons. So therefore, it will form 4 molecular orbitals. They are represented by Psi1, Psi2, Psi3 and Psi4. The molecular orbitals are represented by Psi1 is bonding molecular orbitals. Adjacent orbitals are same spin. So I am giving one code, 1, 1, 1. All the lobes are positive signs. And 1, 2, 1. First lobe is positive, middle lobes positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, where one node is present between these 2 lobes because of it is Psi2 molecular orbital. 2 nodes is possible for the Psi3 molecular orbital because of it has odd number of molecular orbital. So similarly we can explain mirror plane symmetry, that is sigma and C2. For the Psi1, sigma is symmetry, C2 is antisymmetry. For the Psi2, sigma is antisymmetry, C2 is symmetry. For Psi3, sigma is symmetry, C2 is antisymmetry. For psi 4, sigma is antisymmetry, C2 is symmetry. So we have one code for the 4 molecular orbitals. 1 1 1, 1 2 1, 2 2 2, 4. And if designation is odd, psi 1 and psi 3, sign will be same at a termini. Psi 1, it is odd number. At the termini, the lobes having same sign. If designation is even, psi 2 and psi 4, sign will be opposite at the termini. It is psi 2. The lobes at the termini opposite. And LUMOS and HOMOS can be explained as the ground state configuration for the 1,3-butadiene in ground state configuration, psi 1 has 2 electrons, psi 2 has 2 electrons. When we give the energy to the psi 2 molecular orbital, the electron excited to psi 3 molecular orbital. In the ground state configuration, HOMO is psi 2, psi 3 is LUMO. In the first excited state configuration, psi 3 is HOMO and psi 4 is LUMO. Similarly, you can try another example 135 hexatriene at home. Now I am going to explain molecules having odd number of sp2 carbon. For example, allyl cation CH2 double bond CH2 plus. It has 2 pi electrons and 3 sp2 carbons. So therefore it has 3 molecular orbitals. Psi 1 molecular orbital, psi 2 molecular orbital, psi 3 molecular orbital. Notes are 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2. And sigma is present for the psi 1. It is symmetric. C2 is absent for the antisymmetric. Sigma is A, C2 is S. Sigma is S, C2 is A for the psi 3. For psi 2, whenever we have chance of 2 positions for node, it is better to don't fill the orbitals, keep it empty with heavy dot. The energy order of the allyl cation, it has only 2 pi electrons in psi 1. The ground state configuration is psi 1 2. If we give the energy to the psi 1 orbital, 1 electron jumps to psi 2 molecular orbital. Therefore, the electron configuration is psi 1 1 and psi 2 1. In the ground state configuration, psi 1 is HOMO, psi 2 is LUMO. But in the first excited state configuration, psi 2 is HOMO. Thank you.